Hey guys, Jordan here at Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to target the best hotel leads using Coldlytics. So let's start. So first I'm going to select small businesses, and today we're going to Orlando, Florida, big hospitality hub in the United States. And I'm going to leave it at 20 miles, going to add it. Next industry, we're going hotels. Um, with our sanity check, you can just check these companies beforehand and see if these are companies that you would like on your lead sheet. These are the type of companies you want on your lead sheet. And if not, you can just change your search term. But we're going to go with hotels today. I'm going to hit next to lock that in. I'm selecting owners and founders and directors and executives. Just in case the owner has a C-suite title, it'll adjust for that case. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in. For filters today, the first one is we want to make sure with hotels, we want to make sure that we're actually excluding franchises and national chains. If you want to do marketing or selling marketing services or a product to a hotel company, typically the big hotel chains already have companies or an internal team doing their marketing services, as well as if you're trying to sell something to them, you usually have to be like a company on like a pretty massive scale. The other thing is like if you are a small like company that does manage to get business with a big hotel chain or any big chain of like any type of industry, like these companies are going to be a lot harder to deal with. They're going to have a lot bigger demands, and it just puts like a lot more stress on you. So that being said, we're just going to exclude these types of companies. So I'm going to hit next, and we're also just going to go for a review score. Um, just to make sure that the hotel is, that they treat their customers and clients well. And if you're doing business with one of these companies, and you want to make sure the company you're doing business with has like a relatively good review score. That just means that they treat their clients and their customers well, and they'll be easier to work with. So next to lock that in, and finally we're going to go with deliver. And whether you are selling marketing services or a product to the hotel chain selected, all of these metrics will be very useful for you. If you're selling something, it'll be more the revenue, headcount, and date established. But if you're doing marketing services, then typically like all of the other metrics are like really important and like really insightful. So I'm just gonna hit next to lock that in. Um, I'm gonna finish off. We don't need any additional notes. Again, make sure to name your task, select the amount of contacts required, save a draft beforehand just in case you mess up or you want to change something, you're not starting from scratch. And with that being said, I'm going to launch this task. Here you go, hotels in Orlando. It's allocating back out in our task overview. And once you see that it's allocating, you know that it will be ready in 24 hours. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day. And this is how you find the best hotel leads using Coldlytics. See you in the next one.